We'll guide you through how to create a video on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Wix website, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Wix dashboard and look for the Create New Site button, then click on it. You'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. Choose the video option if it's available. This will give you a template that includes video elements. Next, you'll enter the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Video to access the video tools. Here, you can upload your video files by hitting the Upload Media button. You can upload from your computer, or use media from Wix's extensive library. After you upload your video, drag and drop it onto your page. You can resize and reposition it as needed. If you want to add text or other elements, use the Add button on the menu, then select Text or whatever other content you need. Customize the text by changing the font, size, and color to match your theme. If you're looking to add music or other audio, click on the Music button in the video section and choose the audio file you want. Once your video looks the way you want, don't forget to preview it by clicking the Preview button at the top right to make sure everything's looking good. If you're happy with it, click Publish to make your site live. And that's how you create a video on Wix. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.